when did you paint that cabinet? Was that is it touchable right now, or should it still?
Oh, the medicine cabinet?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty much dry now. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I was wondering if you could show.
This here, yeah. Well, this is a cabinet that you'll remember, obviously,
Yeah.
because you brought it home.
I don't know if I have any pictures of it, but I just found it on the side of the road or something. I can't remember where I got it, but it was dumpster dive or something.
It was a 2-door unit that was double wide. It was probably that wide. Imagine 2 doors.
Yeah.
And the handle was this big round metal handle that was right there. In fact,
Where'd you get that handle from?
You can see.
Where'd you get this one from?
The hardware store.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can see the dot
That's
there.
nice. Oh, yeah.
That's the hole I just filled with putty.
Oh, nice.
So I held it up in place because, you know, all I got is that mirror. And I'm like, well, I gotta have a medicine cabinet of some sort. And then if you try to buy one, almost every one you find has a mirror. And it's like, well, I don't want one with a mirror.
Hey,
and I thought, this is perfect because it's great depth. A lot of them you buy are real deep, and I didn't want that either.
Can we see how it looks up against the wall?
Yeah. That's the next step, is to figure out some mounting thing for it. But yeah, so I'm not sure where to go with it. I keep thinking like right here or something. You know, someplace to put, you know, like that stuff there.
Yeah.
Would all go in here then.
I do like that a lot.
You know,
I really do.
NyQuil, or what have you, box of Band-Aids. And
I really like that. And I like how it's a lighter color too. I like how it stands out.
well, hey, this is white, but what I did on the inside of the door is a little different. I mixed it up a little bit, and I painted it the same as the wall color.
I didn't even notice that.
Yeah.
Because there's no weird lighting.
Just for the heck of it.
Wow.
But then somehow I lost one of the pegs.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
I'm missing one, but...
You might find it eventually, but...
Oh, and I bought a new magnetic closer thingy for it.
Nice.
I had to use the same hinges because they're like custom to this door.
Yeah.
So that'll get mounted up.
I really like that.
I'm thinking about another towel bar somewhere, but I'm not sure what to do with that yet.
Well,
I thought over here at one point, and then I thought over here at one point.
Do you want it to be accessible for hand washing or what?
Yeah, like, you know, if you're washing, you could just like
probably,
use a towel.
Probably not over here, right?
That's a little too far away.
Yeah.
I was thinking, oh, and I actually seen a thing. It's a countertop stand that comes up and it's got an angle, and it's a hand towel holder to sit right here, but it would take up so much space. Yeah, I'm not sure what to do yet with that. But
I do really like this. You did a great job.
other than that, losing that freaking piece.
I almost say to keep it in here to keep it clean.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So I don't know, either there, maybe here. I'll find a spot for it. Okay, I thought we would do one last thing before you go back. One last project for you and I.
Nice.
To mount that. Now I've already drilled the holes and I put one of the anchors in, so we gotta put 3 more of those in and the screws, and that's it.
And this is perfect because I have only 10 minutes of footage left on my SD card, so it's like perfect.
Yeah, just some final thing. This one got a little wide on me because I was drilling it, and it was one of those things where you're like,
Oh,
like,
yeah.
dang it, and it got kind of wide on me. So hopefully there's enough for there for the screw to grab onto. Okay. Should be able to line that up enough to get a screw started.
I do like that idea of having the inside of it the same color as the wall. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that was like a last minute thought. I thought, I gotta paint it. So I'm like, well, I might as well do something different and just paint it with wall color. Loose for now until we get a couple more in. There it is. You know, and then I lost one of them dang things. I have them all. There's got to be here somewhere. Hopefully I run into it someday. Maybe I dropped it on the floor and kicked it by accident or something, you know. Either that or I'll just make up something. But now I can put all my stuff in here. Because I got stuff in the drawers.
That was going kind of weird, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, I tried to get it as accurate as I could.
Oh, well, it'll work.
I'll get it in there. There, look at that. She tightened up. This is that one that it's kind of big. I think. Is it grabbing? Can't tell. Oh, it is.
Good.
Oh yeah, that tightened up nice.
You gonna put your stuff in there?
Yeah.
Nice.
I got it.
Where's the shelves?
Sitting out on top of that small fridge on the tray there.
Oh, okay. I just realized my hands are all dirty because I've been sanding stuff, but hopefully that didn't get anything on it.
Okay, I think that's pretty solid.
Nice.
This way. Guess it don't really matter. There we go. There. Check it out.
It's perfect. That is pretty good.
Oh, Band-Aids. Toothpaste.
I need Band-Aids on like a roll, like duct tape, where you just like kind of peel them off.
I guess some of this can stay in there.
Yeah.
But that kind of thing, you know, everybody's got in their bathroom, you know.
Yep, and now you do too.
This, I think I'll just leave there.
I really like the extemporization and finding a use for that, because I was kind of surprised you found a use for that, to be honest.
I always liked that.
Mm-hmm.
And I like the depth of it. Some of these that they sell are just like kitchen cabinets.
Yeah.
It's like, I don't want something that thick. Something narrow. And the original one was this wide. And I thought, well, that's just too much. And I thought, well, half of that's perfect. And it is. There we go. And like, if you're here doing your thing, oh, you know, it's not too bad of a,
Yeah.
of a reach, I guess. You know?
Well, I think that is.
But that's it. That's the last thing I think I'm going to put in here.
So that's it. It's done.
Yep. I love the look of that.
It looks great.
Yeah.
You did such a good job. You did a good job.
It worked out real well. I'm happy with it.
So the porch next?
Porch is next. I've already started tearing some of the old stuff out. I gotta, like everything else, you gotta tear down to where it's good, and then build it back up.
Well, should we call it there?
That's it for the bathroom.
I'm all dirty and stuff, but... Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. See ya. That was really good. Oh, here, you want to do that over again?
Yeah, it came with these gaskets. There's one there, and then there's one.
Oh, it's a double seal. Well, that solves all the problems.
This one here, so that you'll see that the edge of the glass pushes right up.
Oh, I see that. That is nice.
And it seals it all the way down.
Almost no seepage then.
Then I caulked it on both sides, all the way down. Yeah, liking it a lot. The Oasis. This tile turned out much better than the floor.
The color palette really appeals to me too.
Well, I purposely went with like the earth tone thing. The idea was that it's
and a lighter one too.
Is that it's appealing to the most.
Yeah, it's inoffensive and it's welcoming.
Oh, and this, it's one of those memory foam ones.
Oh.
It's comfy under the feet.
I like it.
And I love this vanity.
It's just so nice.
This top is originally not the top I wanted. I wanted one more of the brown tones, but I waited too long to buy it. And when I went to buy it, oh, sorry, it's all out of stock. Cannot be bought online, not available in the store. I'm like, great. So basically it was pick something else.
Yeah.
Which then altered the wall color. Because now I can find something
in between.
Something in between.
Okay, so it was gonna be a little darker then, right?
It was. And what I did here is, if you look, most people would go, "Oh, you have to find something gray toned." Well, I went the opposite. I went with the lighter.
I like that because the light color is what stands out the most for this.
Yeah, I went with the lighter tone because there's also the lighter tones there. That was the matching thing to tie it together.
So.
And when I got done with it, I happened to notice, oh my God, it's almost the same color as the...
Oh, yeah.
Which was a total coincidence.
I didn't even realize that'd be a coincidence. I thought you did that on purpose.
No, I went to screw them on and I'm like, wait a minute.